even further, because we're really going to need that energy. It seems, people have talked about Groundhog Day Brexit, and goodness, it's gone on and on and on, and worse and worse and worse, and chaotic Conservative governments who brought us this referendum, and then they couldn't even agree amongst their MPs in their cabinet. They couldn't agree what to do. They couldn't get it through Parliament. They got rid of Theresa May and gave us Boris Johnson. So, boo! These next few weeks are crucial, so we mustn't be depressed and we mustn't give up hope. We need all our energy. But I am tired. I'm tired of a Prime Minister. He's not our Prime Minister. He's not been here very long. But as we've heard today, he's a liar. He's a liar, and he treats us all with contempt. Not just you Remainers, he treats the Leavers with contempt as well, and he has to go now. And like a lot of you probably, I was here yesterday too for the wonderful climate march, and the weather gods shone on us then too. They're on our side. And where was Boris Johnson? He was running a one-man election campaign doing photo shoots with the military, because I think he thought that was the safest place to be after his screwed up attempt to do the NHS campaign trail. And he's shut down our Parliament. He's not a Democrat. We need our Parliament back. And I'm tired of all that, and I'm tired of this cheating Tory government. But we are not tired. And that's my message, and I hope our message to Boris Johnson. We are not tired of standing up for Europe and for Remain. We need a general election because we need another government, and we need a people's vote because we're not leaving this European Union. And other speakers earlier, they talked about the cross-party cooperation, and I've been critical, as is my role in a think tank, and writing lots of blogs for the last 3 years and more on Brexit. I've probably been critical at different points of all the parties. But I want to thank today those MPs especially, as well as the MSPs at Holyrood, but those MPs like Ian Murray and Joanna Cherry, and they've worked together cross-party for months and months and months, and that's not easy. So thank you. Because if they hadn't worked together, we wouldn't have a law that says we can't have a no-deal Brexit on the 31st of October. And we know in the wonderful case that Joanna Cherry brought to the Scottish courts and the Supreme Court, there were over 70 MPs signed up to that case. So we need our MPs, and we need this cross-party work. And my one plea to all our Remainer politicians is, yes, an election is coming. Yes, we know it's coming soon. But this is the crucial few weeks. Please don't let us down. Yes, have democratic debate, whether it's about education or independence or anything else, but keep it civil. We're not Brexiters, and these weeks are crucial. We will remain alive. So stay together and we'll stay in the EU.